Good morning from Cornwall. Well, it's a little bit breezy this morning and I'm on the hunt for some treasure. I'm down at the beach and I'm looking for treasure that the sea might have washed up. And I'm watching the little doggy and just enjoying myself. And I'm mainly here to gather seaweed and I'll show you what I use it for. So here's the seaweed that I got and I'm drying it. I've got it on my little drying line in my studio and I'll dry it out. So here are a couple of the little pots that I make and I make them in a fire. They're not fired in a kiln. They're fired in a pit with wood and organic material and seaweed. So it's definitely that time of day. Let's have a coffee and a chat. Whoops, Daisy. Okay. Yeah. Right, I've got my coffee and everything. Yeah, so let's see, what have I done today? I've had a really good day today. I got my seaweed and spread it all out and I'm drying that. Went to the beach. It was windy, let me tell you. It nearly blew me off the beach. But anyway, I enjoyed it really. And then I've been busy. I did a walk. I went to Marks and Spencer's and went to Lidl's as well. Let's see. Yeah, because, you know, got to watch my weight, haven't I? So try and do a walk every day. And yeah, so I'm on this diet that I've been on for like forever. And I've managed to lose 30 pounds, which I'm really pleased about. Doctor's pleased as well. So anyway, that's beside the point. So what are we going to do today? So I've done all that and I cut, I'm just watching the cat through the window, and I cut a load of wood, tree branches and things. I'll show you that in a minute. And then I thought, I do like doing story time in my vlogs, but I thought instead of a story, I'll do like advice from an old woman or something, because I am old. And yeah, so I thought, and I've had it, oh, I know what I'll do. I've had a good thought, a good idea. So I'll save that for later, and you know, nice fireside chat. I think that's what we'll do tonight, in front of the log fire. And I'll see if I can give some sound advice. Maybe I can, maybe I won't, maybe I will, maybe I can't. I think I can actually, to be honest with you. But anyway, so there we are. So I'll have my coffee and I'll see you later. So I need to be a bit careful on these steps. They're full of slippy leaves. I need to get rid of them really. I put sand on the steps as well, just so that I don't slip, because I've had a few little tumbles on these steps, so I'm extra cautious. So I soon gave up on that. It was too much like hard work, that one. So I went and got my special saw out, my easy saw. So, you know, it didn't take long to do this wheelbarrow full of tree branches, cut them up. And I'm quite pleased with that. It only took about half an hour top whack. And that's some of the branches. I've got a lot more to do, but I'll just do this amount every day, I think. Oh, when it's fine and when it's, you know, when I can do, when it's not raining, just do this every day, and then I'll soon have got rid of all the stuff that I cut down
last year.
There's my hard work there. It took me about 20 minutes. Not bad, is it? There's my trusty sieve. There we go. Put a tarpaulin over that. So I've decided to leave this vlog here, and my fireside story vlog, or advice from an old woman vlog, that's going to be, I'm going to do that separately, because that usually takes up quite a long time, and I think people will get a bit fed up of watching. So I'll just leave that. I'll leave this one where it's at, and I'll do the fireside vlog later. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.